This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account and preferred device. Once signed in, choose Game Pass Ultimate for full access or Core for console only. Make sure a valid payment method or gift code is available. Next, open the Microsoft Store on PC or the Xbox Store on console and search for Xbox Game Pass. This initiates the subscription flow. While doing this, keep your console or PC connected to a stable network, and note the account email you'll use to redeem and install. Once you purchase or redeem Game Pass, make sure billing shows correctly and the subscription is active under your account. After activation, link that same account on your console or in the Xbox app on PC. This ensures Game Pass licenses propagate. Then open the store, search for Minecraft, and pick Bedrock for crossplay or Java if using PC and prefer mods. Click Install or Play. The system will handle license checks. Allow downloads and let any required updates complete before launching. After installation, launch Minecraft from the Xbox app or your console library. You should see a Game Pass badge indicating access. If it asks to sign in, use the Microsoft account tied to the subscription. This is the most common cause of access issues. Once in, adjust settings like language, crossplay, and storage. If something goes wrong, first sign out and back in, then repair the app or verify your subscription status in account settings. Contacting support is a last step if the license still won't apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.